So hi everyone, we want to do the sub form, which is question 4. So let's have a read. Basically, we have to create a form using the data from the employee table with a sub form using the data from the work info table. We are to use all fields from the employee table and all fields from the work info table except employee number. In the header of the main form, change the title to Fashion Feet Employee Database. Any formatting features such as bold, justification, font colors, and font sizes, background colors, graphics, etc. can be used to enhance the form to your liking, and we have to save the form as Fashion Feet Employee Database. Now I have done this question already, so just to pull up um, the particular subform, this is what you will be aiming at, just for you to get a better look. All right, it constitutes two forms there: the employee info, the employee form, and the work info coming from the work info form. And if you scroll across, you'll see that your records are changing. All right, so essentially, this is what we are aiming at. So, how do we get there? First up, you need to open the employee form. Oops, not this one. I did this question more than once. Open the employee form in design view. So this is my employee form in design view. When you have done so, let me just get rid of this pane. Right. Basically, when you have done so, you are going to get the design menu popping up, and you're going to look for this particular icon, which represents subform and subreport. Essentially, it means that you could insert a subform, a form into a form, or a report into a report. I click on it. I dimension an area that is going to house my subform. So I will go with that. This particular task window is going to pop up, and they're asking me, you can use an existing form to create your subform or create your own using tables and queries. So basically, I'm going to use an existing form. I'm going to choose the work info form. I created that already more than once as well. I will say next. Would you like to define the fields that link your main form? I have already established a link in a previous question, so I'll just hit next. I will leave the work info form as I will actually change it up to a little bit to make it look a little different. To work info details and finish. Just scroll down. Right, so I have both my forms. I'm holding down the control key, highlighting all of these and just dropping it across there. Now I could view. All right, I need to so the info is there. A little bit of formatting again that needs to be done. Going back in design view, what I will do is basically I will make this a little smaller. I'll also bring up my footer. And when I view it, essentially this is what will happen. So I have two forms combined. Employee number, they ask us to not show that. So again, I need to go back in design view. And all I need to do is just delete employee number. So of the work info form. So I highlight, control key, press delete. I'll view it one more time. Essentially, this is what you were aiming for. All right, just to scroll across and you will observe how the records are changing. All right, the name of the form, Fashion Fleet Employee Database, according to the question. So that's taken care of. All right, we have put in graphics, we have put in different colors.